got no green, I'm getting hella broccoli. In 2 years, I'ma buy me a big property, and I'ma show my young how to spend it properly.
Going over today's market recap, the fear and greed index is now back into fear instead of extreme fear like it was yesterday. Markets had a decent day today. Technology sector NASDAQ had a good day. Small caps good day. The VIX down 4%. The Dow Jones and S&P just made it above. Today I want to go over the 3 trades that I took today on SPY and QQQ. Going over the first trade that I took was these multiple wicks on this trend line here that I have drawn earlier. I got in these trades at 9:13. It was some puts. I seen the first close here, a reject here, and a reject here. So I got into some puts on this reject here around 9:13, right before this candle had closed. Got into those, rode it all the way down with my moving averages to assist me. I got out right here for 30%. I had some runners thinking they would break down below the pre-market, but bounced back up, and those runners got sold for broke even. Looking at the second trade that I took for the day was this ascending triangle. Had a touch here, and a touch here, so I drew that trend line. Had some resistance straight across here. Got in at 9:50 as soon as it closed above the pattern. I could have waited for a retest here for a better entry, but I took these. I got out of these at 10 o'clock sharp here. I got out of those for 30%. And then I had some runners to go for this yesterday's high, but my runners had got sold down, and I took those at break even, retested the 10 moving average, and went higher. And just like with any other pattern that I show y'all, you draw a trend line inside the pattern, take it outside the pattern from the top. You'll have a profit target area. So that was the second trade that I took that I could have made a lot more money on, but took for 30%. Runners break even. One of my third and final trade, which was on SPY, had a breakout on this wedge here. Waited for a breakout. Waited for the retest. I got in these calls around 10:08. Rolled it here. Had this big bounce here. I sold majority of those here. I had about 2 contracts left. I had another bounce here. Some more momentum. I sold 2 more here for 45%. And I got in my last one somewhere between this candle at 55%. Just like any other pattern, we keep saying it. You draw the higher wick to lower wick, you take it outside the pattern, you'll have a profit target area of where the stock can go. Took those. Those went for about 167% all the way to the top. I didn't hold it all the way to the top. I sold it right here because I was playing this pattern. I don't like trading all day. Took those. Those are 3 trades I took. 2 on SPY that went for 30% and 50% and 55%, and then the QQQs that went for 30. Solid day of trading, 3 for 3. Other than that, links will be down in the description below to all my socials and the Discord. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back on the next one.